hopefully have enough. I already have like a bunch that I printed the other day, so.
Print a bunch and just, you know,
Yeah. Yes. So far, if it continues the same trend, the exit is the same side that we end up installing the main box.
So you're going by what the plugs are right there?
Yeah.
Well,
Those things are cool. Hey, I was looking at it when I walked over. I was like, man, those things are sweet.
En Florida hay un montón de sitios que te rentan eso para meterte por los montes. Aquí hay un sitio, pero es metido para allá para.
Yeah, so this would be 1 2 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. Yeah, what's up?
it's backwards over here.
No dice ahí.
Was it in
They painted it.
there? Oh, they painted over it.
2 1. Oh yeah, I see. And 2 2. Yeah, I wonder if to the turnstile it matters.
Turning.
Yeah. What'll happen is like when they scan it, if it's wrong up in here, then it'll open a different one, whichever one, like either that side.
Sí,
then.
pero yo digo la vuelta.
For the like once we get it in the panel, I'll just wire it the same way that I have been, as long as they're connected up here. I guess the worst case scenario is we just have to flip these two, the two black and red ones, one way or the other.
Yeah, I could just rewire it because I'll just relabel these. So I'll just reverse it for the power.
It says install the relay 18.2 axis control board starting with 2 2 and 2 1, which should be these guys. You good here, bro? I'm gonna go ahead and
Sure, thank you.
yeah, for sure. I'll come back and check up on you, but I'm gonna try to get these wires ran real quick so that he can start on putting those things back on. What a mess. Damn, that sucks. Oops. Install 2.1 on J7 and 2.2 on J3. 2.2, okay, that's J3, that's right. J3, 2.2, and then J1 is gonna be on 7. So I just confirmed with Steve. He said the way they have it is fine. 1 1 2 1 on J7, 2 2 on J3, but it's opposite on 1. Yeah, no, I get what you're saying. So if I'm just going solely on the way that the entrance and the exit works, off the card or for the card readers only, I would go 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. So then 2 2. But they did have it tied to 2 1.
I think it was me. They were just tying.
Yeah. Well, if you do the bigger one, then we have to get the bigger stuff. I don't even know if we'll
I
all.
don't think all that
all the-
cabling is gonna fit in.
It won't fit in like that stuff here. That probably won't. Hey, or it'll be tight.
It will fit on the flex, but not this. And we have flex.
Yeah, we do. We just don't have ends.
Or that
They have
blue
they
one.
have a 22.4 and they have the Cat 6 cable as well, and that's times 4 entrances. So that's how come they use that big one. But we could use the small one and get those. How many wires are there? 4.
4, and the other ones will be thinner.
Yeah.
These are 18.4.
Okay.
Straight cables right there.
I guess it probably would be tight then. Yeah, it's gonna be tight. So we'll just get the big stuff.
Okay. So leave it.
Yep, leave inside that big one. Since I screwed this, so because I fed the wrong one through there, I gotta switch them so that I don't get confused later. Or anybody who comes up here and be like, oh, well, they flipped them. They don't have to troubleshoot. They could just see. It's like, all right, this is how it goes. Trying to figure it out. So that's 1, 2. That's going down this way, and I'll take that one off and flip them. And this is 1, 1. That should be going that one because that's the entrance coming exit. Oh, where's the end? That's gonna be interesting. Interesting. I'd have to bring this back. Give myself some slack. Even a little bit is better than nothing.